first look video, we are going to check out a solution called Infinite Uploads, which is going to store your media, whether it's image files or video files, etc., up in the cloud and then served by their CDN. Okay. Before we get started with looking at this solution, let me briefly run through what first look videos like this are all about. And then we'll browse through the vendor's website and then actually get on to the solution then, okay? First look videos, they cover solutions that we have no prior experience with. They show vendors how new users experience their solutions. They provide new users with initial setup tips and best practices. If we run across any to share, they are unedited. We hit record and publish what's recorded. These videos are not official tutorials, though they may contain tutorial aspects. These videos contain no affiliate links. They are not sponsored. We are not paid to do these videos. If you would like videos like this or other types of videos created for your business, we make it super easy to be a lifetime partner of InfluenceWP. Just go to influencewp.com/partners. All right. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and look at the website. I always like to look through the website briefly, just see if anything stands out, and then see if there's an about page, check out the documentation, support, things like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rolling here. So this is infiniteuploads.com. And let's see what we see here. So we've got some as seen on mentions, and there's some prominent names here in the WordPress space: WP Builds, WP Mayor, WP BizDev, WP Tavern. Got a set of features here. I briefly have looked at these features. Again, this is a first look. I've literally never used this software before, so that's the whole point of the first look videos, right? But I've briefly looked at some of these features, and we'll see what we can get to. We got the pricing here, so it looks like we've got $16 a month for starter and $24 a month for business, and these look like they're billed annually. And then you can click this drop down and select some more storage, it looks like. And then there's some monthly plans there. And then we've got some compatibility integration with some other big names: WooCommerce, LearnDash, and so on and so forth. I've got some, if you want to reach them, it looks like they're on social media and a number of places. Look like they've got some icons that need some assistance there, but I'm guessing the links still work. What else? See what this agency page is all about. I have actually not looked at that. What else? Other products there, comparisons. Okay, so I'm not really seeing an about page unless maybe that's what this agency is. No, this looks more like it's geared towards if you're an agency website owner, or sorry, an agency business owner. But yeah, it would be nice to see an about page on here somewhere. They have an affiliate program if that's something that you're interested in. Let's try our network and see what that is. Okay, so this is like where they're going to serve your files from, the CDN, Content Delivery Network. Let's try this link right here and see if this gets us to their company. Just trying to get a face with the names. I've spoken to Blake, who is behind this solution. I'm not sure if he's the only one actually, but he's definitely one of the main, if not the only players here behind this solution here. Okay. Yeah, I'm not really seeing faces and names here. That would be great to see, Blake, if we could see some of that. Anyway, okay, let's just go ahead and move on, get past that. Let's leave this page open here. Let's look at support. How do we get support? Is there documentation? So we've got a features list, a blog, integrations. Let's see at the top here. What do we have? Support. Because here's support at the top. Get support. Looks like you got some broken link icons, Blake, if you want to take a look at those. So get support. Let's check that out. Let's try usage docs, see what that's all about. Okay, so we've got some documentation here, and where was the support? So that just brings you right back here. Looks like they got a chat window in the bottom right. Okay, so I assume that's going to get you to somebody that you can chat to for support. Okay, let's get rolling here. So I've got this, I've stopped right here. I signed up, got my plan, and this is basically like the onboarding, right? So we're going to download, just going to follow the instructions top to bottom, download Infinite Uploads. Takes you to the repo, the WordPress repo. So we're just going to download it. Let's bring this over into our WordPress dashboard, our website, WordPress website, and bring this in here. Okay, so we've got that in. I see this reddish, orangish connect button. Let's go ahead and go back here. Closing too many tabs too fast. Let's go back. Okay, so what that did is it took us away from their website to the repo. So got to go back. Okay, download and install. So we've done that. You can use the plugin to connect to unlimited sites into your account. Run scan. Okay, run scan. Once the plugin is installed and activated, click Run Scan from the WordPress dashboard for a quick disk utility assessment and smart pricing recommendation. Okay. Where is that? Let's click into the menu item here, Infinite Uploads. Here we go. Run Scan. And there's nothing on this site. It's just a blueprint demo site. There's nothing on there. I think there's like 3 images total. So we got some images, code, documents, and other. Cool. So let's go back to the instructions. Run the scan, and then let's click connect. When your scan is complete, click connect and follow the setup. Okay. Connect. Go ahead and take myself off the screen here, free up some real estate. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I clicked connect, and I'm not sure why it took me back to the home page. Okay. Click connect. When your scan is complete, click connect button and follow the setup wizard to set your server region and configure your cloud. Okay. So it's saying right here in the middle, connect InfluenceWP Sandbox to the Infinite Uploads cloud. The site has worth, okay. So it tells us how big our media files are. They're ready to transfer. Can we log in here? Okay. So I'm going to bring this to my other screen real quick and just get logged in. So all I'm going to do here real quick is see this right here, already a member. I'm going to assume that if I log in and connect to that, that's going to get us where we need to go. So let's do that. Okay, so I logged in and here we go. Infinite Uploads is ready to create a new cloud storage library and connect your site. Create a new library. Set up a new storage location and connect your site. Or if your site was previously connected, okay. So let's connect as a new site. So that's just the default option there. Choose a storage region. So you're going to want to choose the one that's closest to your audience. They're saying choose the closest to your hosting provider. Once selected, okay. All right. Let's go with the United States because I'm in the United States. InfluenceWP is based in the United States. So let's click connect. So that makes sense. So you're closest to your server, your hosting, and then they're going to use their CDN to serve it as fast as possible around the entire globe. Okay, so that makes sense. Okay, so now we have a nice dashboard. Shows like we can manually sync. Shows like the last time a scan was done, and looks like we can manually refresh that. Okay, let's go ahead and click sync now again to see what that does. Sync in progress. Okay. Your media library has finished syncing to the Infinite Uploads cloud. Enable now to serve all media from the cloud and global CDN. All new media uploaded will skip the local file system and sync directly to the Infinite Uploads cloud. Okay, let's go ahead and enable that. Okay, that looks like it is done. Gives us a nice little pie chart here of how much data that we've used of our plan, how many files are in there, and so on and so forth. Let's see what happens if we click account management right here. Okay, takes us to our infinite uploads dashboard. Over here on the right-hand side, we've got video. So on the left, it's cloud storage and CDN overview. And then over on the right, we've got video cloud. Okay, easily upload videos of any size directly to the cloud and have them automatically transcoded into multiple resolutions, yada, 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 server to global CDN, yada, yada, yada. And so, okay, included free with your infinite upload storage plan. Okay, so let's go ahead and enable video cloud. All right. We're not using any of our storage. We have no videos or anything like that. What do we do here? View and manage your cloud video library. I'm going to open that in a new tab. Okay, no videos found. All right. Let's check out settings before we upload a video. So here's our, looks like we can do some branding. Player language. That's cool. Player controls. We can do some, adjust our encoding. That's cool. Okay, let's go back to our video library. Let's upload a video. Okay, so I'm just going to click this big upload videos button. Let's upload these 3 videos that I previously did for InfluenceWP. Okay, while those are uploading, I'm going to move that to my other screen here, and then we'll just poke around here a bit. So we've got, so all like a lot of our usage is nicely displayed here, used, available, as far as the overall plan, CDN bandwidth, gives you your CDN URL. Looks like we can use our own custom domain. If I click that, takes us over there. Nice. It drops us right down into the area where it's going to help us configure our custom domain if that's something we want to do. Free up local storage. There are unused local copies of files already synced to the cloud. You can option delete these to free up. I'm not going to do that just because, once this demo and stuff's over, this won't be, if Infinite uploads, if I'm going to continue to use this account, which I probably will, I'm going to use it probably on the live InfluenceWP site. So I don't need to mess with any of freeing up local storage here or anything else. You know what? I take that back. As I said that, let's just do that because this is going to get blown away anyway, and it's going to come out as a clean blueprint. Let's just go ahead and check this out. So I click the delete button, and it's going to say here, delete local files. This will delete the duplicate files on Okay, and then some information about WPCLI. Okay, so let's just go ahead, start delete. That is done. So now let's go over to our media library and see if it's gone. Looks like it's still there. So maybe that's, yeah, I'm not really sure what that did. Let's go back here. Let's go back down here. So I think I lost the ability now. Let's go back into, I'm not really sure what that did because I would think, I guess it said duplicates, but I would, okay, let's go to the storage. How do I find, let's go to the storage. I'm going to open this in a new tab. Where do I find my files? Files, sites. Okay, let's go in there. Can we see our files? Where do we actually see what files are in there? Status, count as in good standing, connected, visit the site. Maybe when I removed the duplicates, it was talking about the code or something, maybe like some hidden thumbnails or something like that. How do you view the images? All right, struggling a little bit here. This could absolutely be my fault, but I don't see how to, like, is there a file viewer? View, edit site details. View, edit site details. But how do you view the files? Maybe you're not supposed to be able to. Maybe it's just saying that. Let's go in here. Let's look at this. And then, okay, that's what it is. Okay. That's why we do this. See the URL changed here? So this is no longer being served from this website here. It's served from Infinite Uploads. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so that's what happened when we ran that sync, right? That removed what was on our local install and now serves it from Infinite Uploads. Okay, that makes sense. Got it. So I'm on the same page now. So we don't actually need to browse the files online because they are right here. Okay, got it. So what's next? Those videos are at 89%. So let's just keep poking around and see what we can see here. What else do we want to do? Video Cloud, we're waiting on. Let's go back to their. So this is, looking at the site online, and again, we can do a custom CDN domain, S3 compatible API credentials. Business level plans can use S3 compatible API credentials to integrate with and then they give you those endpoints there on Amazon S3. You can integrate our cloud storage with your favorite app or plugin. Use apps like AWS CLI or S3 browser to view and manage files. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. And then some instructions. Okay, cool. What else? What else? Okay, the videos are up there. So let's go back to our dashboard. And then let's go video library. There we go. There's our videos. So these are transcoding. So we'll let that kind of do its thing. And I'm going to go back here to the website and let's look at these features again. I just want to go back to the main website. I can't because I am logged in. So let me pull up another browser. There we go. Okay. So let's check out, let's see what features that we can check out here. So we looked at the sync. We already showed like the freeing up the space. So now these are off, served from Infinite Uploads rather than our server. One-click restore. Move your files back to your server with easy download and disconnect. Okay, we can check that out. So let's come back over here again. Let's review. Looking at this image, we see this URL right here. It is hosted with Infinite Uploads. So let's go ahead and let's go back to our files. And can we disconnect? Yeah. So let's download and disconnect. So at this point, you can have numerous reasons why, but let's just say, I want my files back on my local server for whatever reason. Let's click this disconnect button. It's downloading the files. And let's go back to our media library and refresh. Let's click into that same file we were in a second ago. And there we go. So now we see it's back on the InfluenceWP Sandbox website. Okay, super cool. Let's go store more. Serve large image, audio, video, PDF, archive, and doc files. Okay. Our advanced WordPress video streaming and player. Effortless video streaming and hosting for WordPress. Okay. Let's check that piece out if we can. Video library. Store all of your videos on your WordPress site instead of externally. Adaptive bitrate. Upload once and we will transcode your video. Gutenberg block and shortcode. Embed your videos with our dedicated Gutenberg block or with a shortcode. Okay, we are definitely going to look at that. Customizable player. Customize the player to autoplay, loop, muted, or preload. Change out colors and select player controls. Okay, we're definitely going to do that. So let's do that while these videos are doing what they're doing. Looks like we do have one that we can tinker with. Okay, so let's create a page. And at this stage, I just have the default 2025 WordPress theme. So let's just call this Infinite Vids. And I'm going to do the slash to pull up the blocks, and I'm going to do a search for infinite. Okay. How about videos? I'm not sure what the name of their, let's do this instead. Let's click this plus symbol right here to bring up the block this way and see if we can see anything broken down better. Okay, so let's, I feel like I should be able to type in infinite here, but I can't. Embed, no, let's do video. How about video? Let's try this one. Maybe this is it. I'm not sure. I don't use the block editor every day for embedding media. So I don't, we'll see. So whose block is this? No idea. Let's click on this link right here. Okay, so that looks like it's native to WordPress. All right, let's see. How do we do this? Let's go to usage docs. That's where we were. Can we search through here? Here we go. Let's try embed. Yeah, I don't know. Let's go back here again to, let's go back, pull this page up. Gutenberg block and shortcode. Embed your videos with our dedicated Gutenberg block or shortcode. Okay, how do we do that? How do we do that? How do we do that? Okay, oh, maybe we have to watch a video. Video streaming, okay. Okay, let's see what this is over here on the, what happened. So that's a, let's see, what can I do? Here we go. Cloud video library and block. We made it simple. Okay. Okay. Maybe it's in the actual video area. So let's go to the videos. All right. What are we going to do here? Let's go under settings and see what we see here. Oh, that didn't work. Okay. Let's go back to our videos again. I don't know what's going on. Something is not right. So let's go, let's run scan again. It looks like something got disconnected. All right, let's get logged in again. Okay, so it looks like we're back. I don't know what happened there. Maybe something I did. I don't know. Let's go back to the video library. Let's see if we can figure out how to embed these videos. Maybe if we click into the video, it will give us some sort of a highlight. What to do? Here we go. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Okay, embed code. Okay. Looks like we can choose a new thumbnail. That's cool. Embed code. We've got some stats. So here's our short code. So we'll just use that because I'm not sure how to find the block. We're not going to autoplay it. We're not going to loop it. Um, we will go ahead and just mute it and then preload it. That's fine. All right, so let's grab that. Let's go back to our page. And let's just do the short code block this time. Oh, I just saw it. There it was. I saw the block I was looking for earlier. How did I get there? Infinite? There it is. I don't know how I missed that before. You know what? Maybe when the site became disconnected, the block, I don't know, the block got disconnected somehow. That was weird. Okay, there we go. That's what I wanted. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just select from the library our 3 files. Can we select 3 files? I don't know what happened there either. Select. How do I select another file? Replace video. That's what I accidentally clicked. I'm wondering how you can do like can you do like a player where it's like does multiple videos? I don't know. All right, let's just go ahead and save this and see what is what. All right, so it embeds the player. That's cool. We can do full screen. Cool, cool. All right. So pretty self-explanatory here. You embed a video. I'm sure pretty much everyone watching this video or most people have embedded a video at some point. So you could easily create like a video library. I still want to see if you can do some sort of like a multiple videos in a player, but maybe you can't. Well, I'd have to look at that more, but let's see. Can we do anything with the stats here? I don't know how to click into the other stuff here, but you can, like I showed before or mentioned, you can change the thumbnail. It looks like you can upload your own custom thumbnail there if you want. You can delete the video from there. I don't know how you get to the stats and the captions and the chapters. Maybe that takes some time to populate. I am not sure, but I would have thought that's what it was doing already in the background. Um, 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 um. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to get multiple videos in here. Maybe you can't. So, all right, Blake. If you're watching, if you end up watching this, I'll shoot you a note too. You can happy to adjust the notes in the video if there's a way to do that. I'm not seeing how to do that to create like a player with multiple videos in it. But like I said, maybe you can't. Maybe that's not designed to do that. Okay. All right, guys. I think that gets us out of here. Let me do another quick rundown here of the features and just see if there's anything we can show off. Customizable player. Customize the player to autoplay loop muted. Change out colors. Select player controls. Effortless video streaming and hosting. Upload, store, deliver videos. Okay, with adaptive streaming, videos can adjust to. Okay, features. Okay, yeah, maybe it's just not possible right now to do like a player with a playlist, for example. Security minded and privacy minded. That's always a good thing to see. WP CLI sync, auto scaling, custom CDN URLs we talked about. Okay, cool. I think we covered everything there. All in all, very cool. I think the strength here at this time, from what I'm seeing, is the performance and the security and the privacy of it all. Being able to offload those files and whatnot. Um, I would like to see GDPR compliance as part of the privacy stuff. I would like to see that maybe the player can be customized even further, to maybe create a playlist down the road rather than having the individual. So maybe you could come in here and basically create a player that where you can select multiple videos, and then that spits out a short code. It kind of creates like a playlist, if you will. So that would be a cool feature. The other thing is, I would say, is the documentation is a little bit difficult to find. I would like to see an about page with the actual team behind it. That would be a cool thing to see. People like to buy from people. I know I do. Other than that, like I said, I think the strength here, the real strength, is the infrastructure, the performance that it's going to give you, the privacy that it's going to give you, and things like that. The behind the scenes stuff is the real strength. There was a connection issue that we saw that could have been me, absolutely could have been me, and something I did. Just not, it's a first look video. There could have been something I did along the way, and not necessarily an indictment on the solution itself. But all in all, very, very cool, and just some minor hiccups and some feature requests. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, if you want videos like this created for your business, please reach out. Free lifetime partner memberships. Go to influencewp.com/partners. Thank you.